Dear friends, welcome back to my channel and you are watching the video of property. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, property location, there is some directions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and ratings online that are given by guests to enjoy their stay. Its review rating is 10.0, which is the exceptional. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. Category 5. Property, so you can see on the screen all guests will be required to present photo ID at check-in. The property accepts major credit cards and reserve the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The location of the property is attractive and guests love to enjoy the surroundings.